time has come, oh my god, for my first ever mystery box. Now, I've done a mystery box type of video, but it wasn't really a mystery box. I bought my friend a mystery box, he bought me a mystery box, but it was in like a retail store. It was nothing like too hyped. It was just like some off-white bits and a bit of Yeezy clothing. So this is my first ever Hypebeast mystery box. If you cannot already tell, this is Bape sellotape. Now that's how you already know this mystery box video is about to be a madness. Now I love Bape, I love Supreme. Massive shout out, okay, 1 second. Massive shout out to Jacob Star, because Jacob Star did a video with the same guy who gave me this mystery box, Saru General. Now I'm gonna link his website right here, Saru General. He does like weekly Bape drops. He drops 80 items. I just got off the phone with him. He drops 80 items every single week of Bape accessories, Bape clothing, Bape shoes, everything you can imagine Bape, right? 80 items every single week. And then at the end of the month, he drops a crazy Supreme drop. Now, he used to pretty much be the Bape god. He is, I would say, the Bape god. If you go onto his Instagram as well, I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here so you can check out what you mean. He gets so much stuff, it's crazy. I was like, bro, you need to do me a mystery box. So, he gave me one. It's about to be a mad thing. Shout out to Jacob, because Jacob did this video, not first, but Jacob bought something off him and then he sent him extra stuff. So when I seen that, I was like, who is that guy? And he was like, Saru General. So I said, bro, Saru General, you need to hook me up with a mystery box. So massive shout out to him. Go and check out his website. He does a madness. Go and check out his Instagram. This, I'm sure, is about to be crazy. All I asked for, Bape, Supreme, hit me up. Okay, Bape tape, here we go. Oh no. He was like, lift up the invoice. There's something here, so let's see what is in here. Hold up. Is this what he meant? I don't know. Yo! This is the mini surprise. This is Supreme that I've never even seen. This is like a little Supreme accessory hidden in the box. Guys, I'm telling you, this guy has so much heat. I don't even know what this is. This looks so old. This box isn't even open yet and I've got surprises. I'm so confused. What is this? Can someone please like comment down below what the hell is this? Let's get this video going, because you guys have probably already been waiting there for a couple of minutes. Before I do start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe right now. This is Ari Petrou, the Giza Army. If you're not in the Giza Army, then subscribe right now, join the Giza Army. Follow me on Instagram at Ari Petrou, because I really do have a pretty fire Instagram. So go and follow my Instagram, subscribe right now. Let's get on with this video. Okay, here's when it gets mad. But first of all, yo. Oh my god, this is getting so good already. The first item we have is a Bape football, and it's actually from Japan. 13,000 yen. So this is straight from Japan. So now I have more footballs, more accessories. We're gonna try and tally up how much this box is worth as well. Let's just say this is worth like 200. I'm not sure. Saru General I gave him like a few weeks. Oh no. No. Oh my god. No. I am so glad I did this mystery box, bro. Honestly, this is so sick. Bape X clock. Guys, this is so sick. I'm actually so gassed for what's in this box. Like, I always wanted to get one of these, but I never wanted to pay like 250, 300 for a bloody clock. But now I can put this up like over there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. These are worth like 300. It's glow in the dark. No, it's not. It's glow in the dark. Yes, it is. There's little green bits. And now we're currently on like 550 and we're only on 2 items. What's this? This is a bag. I can feel it. Yo, sick. I don't have anything like this. This is really sick. I like this a lot. I'm gonna estimate this is worth like 200-ish. Guys, I'm so excited about this box. Drop a like right now. Let's try and get this to 5,000 likes. My first and maybe last ever mystery box. Unless someone wants to donate me one pound. Guys, I'm just peeking in here right now, and there's madness in here. There's loads of Bape. Oh my god. This is the next piece, which I know is not a lot, but what even is this? This is just like a random like Bape bandana or something. Probably worth like £50 or something. Let's keep going. Yo, what is this? A Bape jacket? I know this is worth a good amount, so that's like 400 right now. Oh, this is gas right here. Yeah, track pants. I thought they were shorts for a minute, but these are sick. I need a fan break because I get really hot in my room. My room is so hot. I'd say they're about 200. So, oh, sick. This half is purple and this half is just like normal grey. Now I have a hoodie that looks like this already, but on this side it doesn't look the same. This is cool. It's got purple on one side, grey on the other side. Fits me perfect. Probably worth like 300 or so. We need another fan break, fam. We haven't got a Supreme item yet, have we? Oh no, we have. We got this thing, which I still don't know what that is. Yo, we got, okay, hold on, is this a Supreme bag? Okay, let's switch it up real quick with some Supreme items. Could be the only Supreme item, I'm not sure. What is this? Yo, like, ASAP Rocky wore this. This is like when Supreme wasn't hype, but it was like on its way to like really becoming huge. I can use this as well because fam, man's sweating out here. £250 at least. I've seen these on Grail for like 300 bucks before. So that's a cool item. And there's more in the Supreme bag. Hold up, hold my phone. What's this? Oh, sick. Just basically a classic Bape sticker. Yeah. This is what I'm saying. My man Saru General is really getting into Supreme drops. Please go and check him out, guys. I'm gonna leave all his links in the description. His Instagram, his website, all that type of stuff. This sticker goes for like at least 100, no joke. I'm actually gassed to own that. That's at least 100. Loads more. No. No. Oh my God. Do you know what is so sick about this mystery box? It's literally like everything I like would dream of buying. Like hype-wise, like, oh, I'd love to have that, but I don't really want to spend that much on it. This, there is stuff in here that I kind of feel like that clock, a waist bag. There is more stuff in here. My man gave me Bape toilet paper. Ah, I don't want to rip the packet though. This is like an item that I would never spend because there's stores in LA, right, that sell Bape toilet rolls for like 100 bucks. I'm not spending 100 bucks on some toilet roll, but I would love to have some 100-buck toilet roll that I didn't pay for. This is sick. See how much heat is still in here, fam? Another, sick. I'm sure this goes for like 200 at least. More stuff in here still to go. This looks really old. Okay, so we've got a Bape magazine from Japan. That's really cool. Oh, yo, Kanye's in this one. What a vibe. Look at this. Back in the Bapester days when he did the college dropouts. Now, I don't know what the hell this is. Now, what the hell is this? Again, this is from Japan. What is this? I don't think we're gonna find out what it is until we do blow it up. So we're gonna have to blow it up. Hit the time lapse because I'm about to take 10 minutes. Okay, I know what this is. It's a Bape pillow. Who the hell's gonna sleep like this? I wonder how much this is worth. This is probably worth like 50 to 100 at least. Doubt any of you guys have seen this before. And that's what I'm trying to bring to this channel, is stuff that you guys haven't seen. Yes, you've seen mystery boxes, right? Of course you've seen mystery boxes, but I knew this mystery box would be a bit different. You see all this new stuff? This is all old. This is all like classic Bape. Yo, what's this? This is fire, yes! Bape Bear Brick, a 400% Medicom toy. Look at him, mate. What a geezer. Look at him. He's in the geezer. Look at him. Another little geezer. And I actually already collect these. Like, I already have some of these. Godzilla one. I have a Billionaires Boys Club one. And I have loads of mini ones already. So this is really cool. You've still got so much heat to go. Yo, this one I actually like more than the grey one. Another Bape Shark. So simple. How can you go wrong with a Bape Shark hoodie like that? I don't even know how much this box is worth right now. Fan break. There's a few more t-shirts and that's how this box is gonna end off, dude. Size large, that is cool, but I feel like it's not gonna fit me. This is swag. This is another one. Look, it's Bape with Baby Milo on it. That's that on the back. I actually really like this one. That's at least another 100. I like this one. You can't go wrong with this. Yo, sick. The eyes have got like little gems. That's actually sick. I like that one. I've never seen any of these before. That's really cool. And then this is another one, XL. I really like this one too. That's cool. Okay, so my camera died whilst I was sat at my desk. Look at this complete Hypebeast mess. We got so much stuff. T-shirts, bear bricks, a blow up bloody pillow, shark hoodies, after crew necks. What's this? Oh, this was such a cool item. This Supreme towel. No one else be getting Bape toilet roll, Bape jacket. Where's the clock? Where's the clock? Because I actually want to put this clock up somewhere. I want to put this clock like here. Is that cool? Look, I have a Supreme Morrissey poster there. So yeah, I'm really trying to hype out my room if my room is not already hyped out. Now guys, I'm just showing this real quick because if you are new to my channel, then subscribe right now. And also I want to do a massive shout out because you see this right here, you see these Bape cans, these Pepsi Bape cans. I actually bought these off Saru General's website before I even hit him up. So no joke, I actually spent money with this guy before he sent me all this free shit. So I just want to kind of throw that out there, that I actually really messed with this guy and I'm not just doing it for a load of free stuff. I actually think he's really doing his thing. Obviously, I get some really cool stuff out of it. I got so much cool stuff out of it. Just look at my bed. It's a complete mess. And I want to tell you guys that this guy's really doing his thing and he needs more exposure. So go and check him out. He really hooked it up. Honestly, I was on his mailing list for like a year or so. I don't know how, because I don't think I signed up to it, but he had these crazy prices like Bape for like 40, 50 pounds for t-shirts, and I always used to just delete the email because I didn't know what it was. Yeah guys, check him out. I'll leave his Instagram down below, I'll leave his website down below, and it's on the screen right here. He does drops every single week, 80 plus items of Bape every single week. We still need to put this geezer somewhere as well. This is really gonna kind of mess up my vision right here because I had 3 and now I have 4, so I don't know where to put him, but we're gonna sort that out. Hold up, my man's gonna have to move along a bit and we can put, what do we call this guy, Jimmy or Jeffrey? I can't even remember. But guys, this has been such a sick video. I really appreciate you guys watching. I just want to say, subscribe right now, drop a like on this video. It's been your boy Ari Petrou, UK's biggest hypebeast. Peace out. I really hope you have enjoyed my first and maybe last Hypebeast mystery box. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.